Will you have a missing space if you get a dental implant? Hi, I'm Dr. Heath Coleman from Secure Dentures and Implants here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Today, we're addressing a common concern. If I get an implant, will I have a missing space? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about what a dental implant is. An implant is a titanium post that serves as an artificial root placed directly into your jaw. Once it's healed, it supports a crown or a bridge, effectively replacing your missing tooth or teeth. Now, you might be wondering about that gap. The good news is that same-day implants, we can often place a temporary crown or an implant immediately after placement. However, sometimes this isn't possible. If that's the case, we can have a replica tooth made that looks natural and can fit inside a clear retainer or a metal framework. This means you leave the office with a complete smile without any visible spaces. During the healing period, which typically lasts a few months, the implant fuses with your jaw in a process called osseointegration. While it heals, the temporary crown helps maintain your smile and function. Once the healing is complete, we replace the temporary crown with a custom-made permanent crown that looks and feels just like your natural teeth. So no more gaps. In summary, if you get a dental implant, you typically won't have a missing space, especially with immediate solutions available. If you're considering implants, I recommend scheduling a free consultation at any of our secure dentures and implant locations to explore your options. Have questions or personal experiences to share? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. See you next time.